How do you get started with Postbase? It's very simple. Once you go to the GitHub repository here, you will see a deploy on Railway button here. You can click the button straight away and it will take you to the Railway template we have created for Postbase. And you can just click on deploy and it will create an instance for you. Once it is deployed, it will look like this. The only setting you have to update is basically the web subdomain URL or a new domain which you have added to your instance, and then update it in the variable section here. That's the only settings you have to update. Everything else will be automatically done for you. Once that's done, you just go and click on this URL and you will see the Postbase UI. Click on Open Dashboard. If you're doing it first time, it will ask you to set up your password, or you can go to security and then enable the 2FA. And once that's done, you can come back and then create as many organizations and as many projects. For example, second app inside the organization, and then click on your project and you have the project here. You have the auth providers, you have the users, you have the database tables here. You can create more tables or you can run the SQLs here. Storage, you can connect with Amazon, Cloudflare, or you can use the mini UI in the Docker. We have integrations coming along, API keys, audit logs, and settings. So for further updates, you can go on getpostbase.com and then just register yourself with our newsletter to get more updates on a regular basis. Any questions? Let me know in the comments. Thank you.